view out in Pismo Beach today. A beautiful sunset again for the Central Coast. Let's take a look at some of the photos you guys sent us using hashtag #BeOnKSBY. Here's Brett's view of the sunrise over Paso Robles. Beautiful cloud coverage there. Here's a shot between Oceano and Grover Beach today from Amy. You can send us your photos on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Current temperatures now looks like mid-50s for much of the Central Coast. 55 in Atascadero and Los Osos, 53 in San Luis Obispo, 55 in Pismo Beach, and 53 in Santa Maria. Our 24-hour temperature change shows several areas 3 degrees warmer than this time yesterday and 4 degrees warmer in Santa Maria and in Santa Barbara. Our winds right now are something we're monitoring, especially for the Santa Barbara County South Coast. Winds right now 7 miles per hour in Paso Robles, 6 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo, 13 in Santa Maria, and 18 miles per hour out in Vandenberg. Now, already this afternoon along the Santa Barbara County South Coast, we saw some really strong wind activity, especially in Gaviota. 40 mile per hour wind gusts, 36 out in Dangemond. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but that's how it looks like it's pronounced. 32 mile per hour gusts out in Sedgwick. Now, there is a wind advisory out along the Santa Barbara County South Coast and the mountain areas of southern Santa Barbara County, but that expires later this evening. There's still a chance, though, that that's going to be reissued again tomorrow for the same reason. Really strong wind gusts with potential for those gusts to cause damage. So do keep that in mind if you're heading that way over the next 24 hours. Now, we are tracking some really high surf that's on the way. Over the past few days, we did see some swells that were over 10 feet, and it looks like those are going to be returning again. So tomorrow morning, you might see large tides between 7 and 7.5 feet ahead of really high swells 10 to 15 feet Sunday night. Our wind forecast shows that tomorrow winds are starting off on the calmer side. It's really not until the afternoon do we start to see activity start to pick up again, especially in southern Santa Barbara County. This is a look at 5:30 tomorrow evening. 10 mile per hour winds in Cambria, 9 miles per hour in Morro Bay, 3 in Lompoc, and calm winds in Solvang. So in our microclimate model, that's when you'll see the return of rain tomorrow. It's looking like tomorrow afternoon, just before 4, we'll start to see some showers in northern San Luis Obispo County before it starts to make its way throughout the rest of the Central Coast and into early Monday morning. So how much rain are we talking? Well, it's still looking like, at least according to our European model, everywhere aside from Cambria, maybe a couple of other places, since we're already seeing some pretty strong rain totals in Vandenberg Air Force Base, generally under about 1/10 of an inch of rain over the next 24 hours. So forecast for tomorrow, really similar to what we saw today. Low 60s for much of the Central Coast. 60 for your high in Paso Robles tomorrow. 62 in San Luis Obispo and 64 in Santa Maria and Lompoc. Down the coast in Carpinteria, 62, 66 in Santa Ynez and Los Alamos. In the 5 cities, 64 in Nipomo, 62 in Arroyo Grande, and 60 in Pismo Beach. In northern San Luis Obispo County, 59 in Avila Beach, 59 in Morro Bay, and 57 in Cayucos.